This video will show you how to remove the stock headlights on all 2014 through 2018 Silverado 1500s.
All right, first thing we have to do is get our radiator cover off. So we have a bunch of push clips going all the way across. So we're gonna grab our clip removal tool and take them out. All right, now we can move our radiator cover out of the way. Just lift it up. All right, now we're gonna take our 4 bolts off that hold our top of our grill on. Here, 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 here. We're gonna grab our ratchet and 10mm socket and take them out. All right, now we can pull our grill straight out. If you need to, just give it a little pull at the bottom, release the tabs. All right, now we're gonna come into our wheel well. We're gonna take 2 T15 screws out of the wheel liner to access a 10mm bolt that is mounting the bottom of the headlight on the inside of the bumper about here. All right, now we're gonna grab a ratchet and T15 socket and take this bolt and this bolt out. All right, you can just peel the liner back so you can access a bolt on the inside of here. Now it's gonna be very difficult to see, but you're gonna grab a 1/4" ratchet, 10mm socket, and take it out. It's gonna be about here with the head on the outside. All right, now we're gonna come back to the front of our headlight. We have 2 10mm bolts up top and 1 in the bottom down here. So we're gonna grab our ratchet and socket and take them off. All right, then we have our one at our bottom down here. Then we can remove our headlight. All right, now you're gonna push up on the headlight a little bit. Just lift this top tab here. Headlight will come out. We have our 1 connector with our red locking tab, pull that back. Then squeeze down the black tab. Pull out the connector. All right, now you go ahead and repeat those same steps for the other side.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Silverado, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.